Okay. Yeah, that doesn't look pretty. He got up and walked away. Not limping. This is the way they're holding him. This is crazy. This is.
She takes out the phone blocks. The bike gets away from her. She tumbles into the wall. A scary moment.
I don't think you have any appreciation for just how fast she was going until you see her come off the bike. Well, imagine being her sister or her mother or her father. You're seeing this stuff from the starting line. You have no idea. This is the best sign right here.
That's cool.
The leathers did their job and put
Oh, she's hot.
Walk away. You want to talk about dramatic? This shot
Damn it.
slow-mo. You realize just how scary this run is. Watch the wheelie bar. Make contact with your helmet. That's why we have the safety equipment. That's why NHRA mandates these rules.
Not her bike, but she was okay.
Let's see. Yeah, you see this.
I have a lot of respect for my bike. It's one thing I've always had. But just once it gets away from you, I can admit that I don't have enough experience right now to be able to figure out what to do yet. But I'm glad I'm safe. I want to thank Safety Safari, NHRA. They did an amazing job at helping me out. It's just an amazing job.
Circle at the Auto Club Finals.
She won a race. Cool. And you gotta get your knots. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe. Damn it. Okay, so this is NHRA motorcycle racing. Oh crap, bad shot. Where the hell are the motorcycles? Okay, I guess I'll have to come back to that. It's on channel 4.
Number 1 went from the best appearing car to the worst appearing car, taking on Nick Janik. The chassis built to absorb the impact did exactly that. The fire bottles spraying fire retardant all over the race car. A wild moment for the DJ Cox 20 car. And the 4th run on a car he just bought from Tony Martone. Watch what happens.
Wow, was that is the worst possible way to shake down a new car in combination.
We'll see Andy reaching for the escape hatch. Here he comes out of the race car.
And here's a case where the body stain on the car might not have done him any favors. And you don't realize exactly how fast that car is going until you see that video is a great shot for perspective on speed.
You want to talk about speed? Here's Doug Gordon. Past history has the worst wreck of his career.
Eerily similar to both Andy Bull and DJ Cox's crashes. All the respect in the world for Doug Gordon. He said later, that one was on me. I overdrove the car. And the real incredible part is after all that, he's mad when he gets out of the car. You see similar.
Yeah, this is the MotoGP is. The MotoGP is. Only thing I hate about this stuff is that, what the hell? What the hell?
We miss
What the
you.
hell did that thing just say? Came up about increasing the temperature.